The Udi is a $500 million brand. I know that because I personally ran their Meta and Instagram ads. I know exactly what makes their lander convert, the layout, the color psychology, the trust signals, the offer structure, because I spent years driving traffic to it. And I just cloned the entire thing inside of Claude in under 3 minutes. Here's one of Udi's bestsellers. It's a Squid Games stairs Udi, and it's a really nice landing page. It looks a lot different than when I ran their ads, which has been a few years now, but they've really ramped it up and they didn't have any licensed merch. So after a few minutes, Claude designed this for me, and honestly, it's not done a bad job at all. I'll show you even how to make this better. Bear in mind that this doesn't have any product images. Now, the way this works is that you design a theme for something like Shopify, you upload the theme into Shopify, and then you just add your products, and all of these here, these are just placeholders. So as you can see inside of Udi's examples, these are product images. So these could be models, they could be customers, friends or family, it doesn't really matter, right? So for the first iteration, I just used the Claude chatbot and it came back with this. It's fine, but it's not really sexy. There's nothing really exciting about this. And so at this point, I moved over to Claude Design. The reason I started with Claude first is that there's a lot of usage and rate limit issues with Claude Design. So I didn't want to use up my allowance, but it was clear that Claude, the basic version, would not be able to deliver this for me. And so I head over to Claude Design, and this is what it looks like. And this is the prompt that I use for this. And I'll show you exactly how to do all of this so you can clone any website. But the first thing we need is the entire screenshot of this landing page or any landing page. And for this, I'm using an extension called Go Full Page. It's completely free. Just add it to your Chrome or your Brave browser. And what it does is it will take a screenshot of the entire page, and it does it all on autopilot. Once you have that, head over to Claude Design. Now, you're going to need a paid subscription for this. You can't do this on the free plan. And the basic prompt for this is clone the landing page, keep the layout, the style the same, because I know this landing page, the original that I'm cloning from the Udi, is converting like crazy. I don't want to change any of that. What I do want to change is obviously the name, the color palette, and all of that. So I gave it a design plan. I just came up with a name like the Blankly, which is a wearable blanket similar to Udi's product. And then I've given it some color schemes. Now, this can be any color scheme that you want. It could be your color scheme. It could be a client's color scheme. It doesn't really matter. The point of this exercise is that we're taking a winning product or landing page, and then we're going to clone it inside of Claude. I've given it some typography. So this is just typography on projects that I've done in the past for other clients. I've also given it like a signature. So I want something playful, wavy, with a divided section and cozy campfire kind of aesthetic to help it differentiate from the Udi's clean white. Now, you can go ahead with that. That's completely fine. I just wanted to differentiate and show you just so you can stand out. Now, I'm not advocating that you clone an entire landing page, copy it end to end, copy the name, because you are going to get into trouble for that. And for the layout, it's important that it matches the original structure. So now I have the product hero, the Y section, comparisons, testimonials, and so on. And before I hit send, I also attach the Go Full Page screenshot that the Brave extension took for me. You can see that here. And then once I hit send, you can see that it's now viewing the image, the attachment, and it's going to verify, look at it, and audit everything that I need before it starts implementing it. So it knows it's got to-dos, which is this list here. And literally after about 3 minutes or less, it actually built the landing page, which is this, what you can see here. And it even tells you exactly how it's built this. So it's got the same layout as reference. It's reskinned it in forest green, sand, and terracotta because I've told it to do that. There's an interactive size selector, gallery thumbnails, add to cards. There's also space for testimonials. So if you do have an Instagram page for your business or for your client's business, you can actually feed in customer images and reviews directly from that. And there are actually Shopify apps and services plugins that can do this for you. And so before I finished, I just wanted to double check to make sure that it does match the reference image in terms of aesthetic, layout, and so forth. So I just asked it to double check, which is, does the style match the reference image? So let me compare my build against the reference side by side, which is always a good idea when you're trying to do a project like this. So good match overall. Two structural pieces from the reference are both worth adding. Product detail icon grid and pair with, which is a great feature if you want to increase your average order values. If a customer is willing to pay $20, you should do everything you can to make them pay $35 by buying an extra product or two. And you can see that it's going through all the JavaScript, the HTML, all the backend dependencies and files to make sure that everything that I've asked it to do is consistent with the attached reference image. So you can see that it's added the icon grid. It's also added pair with, which is this here, a really simple way to increase average order values, like I said earlier. And it's taken this all off the reference image of a landing page that I know is absolutely killing it. It's not second guessing anything. And that's the entire point of this exercise. Now, I really like the product details, which are in these logos. Now, I have no idea what any of this means apart from the oversized hoodie. because that's what the Audi is. But what we can do is we can take this and create our own version of it. So grab a screenshot of this image or whatever it is you want to take from a product or landing page. Head over to Google Gemini or any text to image creator. I've uploaded it here and I've said clone these logos but make it unique. And honestly, after less than 2 minutes, you're gonna get something that looks like this, which is absolutely incredible because it's done a better job than the original. And you can also upload this into Claude Design and tell Claude to integrate it into the existing landing page. So what used to take hours or days literally takes minutes now when you clone it using Claude Design. And if you're new to Claude and you don't know where to start, there's a link in the video description for my free AI workflow kit. Sign up to that and get started. And if you love this video, smash the like button because I'm somebody that drops AI sauce when it comes to building workflows, AI agents, or even automations. Do me a solid and watch the next video on screen, and I'll see you next time.